Hello and bah humbug. Welcome to episode 7 of the Fatayer Series. So far we've made telemis, za'atar telemis, cheese telemis. We've also made meat pies, spinach pies, cheese pies, and today we'll be making barbecue pies. This is by far my favorite thing to do with leftover barbecue. The first thing you'll need is your telemi dough. If you want to see how to make the dough itself, go check out that recipe. I'll throw a link up in the top right corner. After your dough is fully risen, you can start stuffing your pies. First, flatten out your telemi dough. You want it to be thinner in the center and thicker on the edges. Then place about 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue to the middle and fold the edges to meet in the center, pinching them together. Then place them back on the tray, folded side down. Bake at 425 degrees for 12 minutes. After about 15 minutes of cooling, they're ready to eat. Join us next week for the final episode of the series where we'll be making the Lebanese version of Sloppy Joe's, Sloppy Yousefs. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye, good night, and as always, bah humbug.